Hey pretty girls, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Hotbraids. Hotbraids sent me their exotic natural curly crochet human hair extension, and I'm going to show you how I installed this super cute versatile protective style on myself. And I'm only going to be using one bundle. One bundle is 245 grams, so that's all I'll need for this install. If you would like to purchase some extensions, use my coupon code at checkout. Along with the hair came this little box, and inside the box it pretty much had everything you needed to install and style your hair. A crochet needle, of course, an edge brush, you can never have enough hair clips, a little brush to style my hair, the infamous rat tail comb, I really needed this spray bottle, and a bag with their logo on it. So before starting, I separated the pieces on my braiding rack to help me go faster. And this is the braid down method that I went with. I'm leaving out a little hair in the middle and also around my perimeter, just to make this style a lot more versatile. So now I'm about to show you how I attach the hair to my cornrows. So as you can see, I took my crochet needle and pushed it through my cornrow. And each piece of hair has a little string in the middle, and this is what you're going to use to attach the crochet to the cornrow. So next you're going to hook the string and pull it back through the cornrow. Then you should have a little loop, and you're just going to take both ends of the crochet hair and pull it through the loop. And I repeated this step for my entire head except for the cornrow in the front and at the very top. So now I'm showing you how I installed them on the first cornrow. You pretty much do it the exact same way, but instead of taking both ends, you only take one end and pull it through the loop. I like the way the hair falls on both sides of the cornrow with this method, so one end is falling toward my face. So I'm just gonna do both methods a few more times so you can get the hang of it.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every.
Remember, for the top row, I'm also doing the method where I only pull one end through the loop.
Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough.
And y'all, we're finally done. And as you can see, I did a full install with only one bundle. However, if you like your hair super full, I would suggest getting 2 because I ended up using the entire bundle. There were a few spots where I wanted to add a couple more pieces. That's why I'm saying purchase another bundle just in case, because if you decide to leave less hair out, you're going to need more pieces. So now it's time for me to define my curls and style my hair. So right here I'm just pinning all of my hair up to unbraid my leave out. Then I'm going to use my spray bottle and spray all of my hair with water. Then use Miss Jessie's curling cream to define my curls.
I ain't coming no waiter. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you
just look how pretty and natural this curl pattern looks. Y'all, this really looks just like our natural hair texture when it's wet. Let me give y'all a close-up real quick so you can see what I mean.
you gon' miss this body. Too late for I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. About enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Why you texting? You still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
So right here, I'm just cutting a few layers throughout my hair to shape my curls. I decided to curl my hair at the top just because my curl pattern is more so wavy from heat damage. But afterwards, I realized that the wavy look would have looked better actually. And of course, I have to lay my edges. And this is the finished product. Y'all, I never thought I would like crochet extensions as much as I do now. But this new wave of human crochet hair has got me in a chokehold. It doesn't give that synthetic wig look like before. It's given very much natural. And it actually became one of my favorite installs. Hotbraids offers several textures to match out kinks, curls, and coils. If you would like to purchase your crochet hair, all of the details are listed in the description. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.